how to reset and erase all content on your device back to factory default settings on your iPhone XS. Now first, go back to your home screen by simply swipe up like this. Then go into settings, and from the settings screen, what we want to do is to go down to general and then go down to the bottom and tap on reset. Then tap on erase all content and settings. And I just need to put in the password. And then tap on erase iPhone. Tap on erase iPhone. Now if you have signed into iCloud on your iPhone XS, then you will need to put in the iCloud password to remove iCloud before the reset and erase content can proceed. So keep in mind that if you have an iCloud account sign in, then you have to do an additional steps to remove them from your iPhone. And that's it. That's how we can erase the iPhone back to the factory settings. After which you can then start to set up your phone again, or if you are passing it on to the next person, you can simply leave it on the hello screen and they can set up the iPhone themselves. And that's it. So we just wait for it to finish and we will be able to complete this tutorial. And that's it. As you can see, it come up with the hello screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.